to roast a turkey with no fault, meaning there is no way it's gonna go wrong. So for this purpose, I have a turkey. It's 15 pounds. So you have an option whether you wanna brine the turkey the night before or use the dry rub, and then for the best result, it's better to put the rub the night before, which I have done it. So what I did, I have rubbed the dry rub. So with dry rub, I have 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of ground garlic, garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of sweet paprika, 2 teaspoons of ground onion powder, and 2 teaspoonfuls of sage, and also 2 teaspoonfuls of black pepper. So what I do, you mix this all together. If this is your dry rub. So for the best result, as I said, you wash your turkey. This is a 15-pound turkey, and the night before you just mix your rub and like generously mix it everywhere. Just rub it on the turkey, inside, outside, in the cavity, everywhere, generously. Put it everywhere that you see, and then the entire rub is gonna go away. So after you did this, you just put a tight wrap of plastic over it and put it in the refrigerator overnight. And the next day, you just like an hour before you start roasting, you take it out of the refrigerator. So now let's, and we're gonna cook this for the total of 2 hours. 2 hours without interruption, and an hour open. So it's gonna be, it's like 15 minutes per pound. So we are gonna cook 2 hours without any interruption, and after that we are gonna open and start pasting it, and we're gonna have it done perfectly. So let me get my roasting pan. So I got my roasting pan. My pan has a lid, so if your pan doesn't have a lid, you're gonna need some foil. So what I do, I put like a head of the celery. I put some stalks on the bottom of the my roasting pan, and bunches of carrots. Okay. I have a large onion peel too, and I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do with it. So what I'll do, I'm gonna put this turkey, which is completely seasoned, into my roasting pan, and I'll put all this too because it's gonna give us good gravy. And what I do, I put the onion into the cavity, just like this. I'll put the onion in the cavity, and I'm gonna close the legs. And I melted a little 1 stick of butter. What I do, I'm gonna be pasting the butter all over this turkey, everywhere, inside, outside, the whole stick of butter. You could actually do this before you put it in the pan too, but I just don't wanna put butter everywhere. And you have, if you have extra butter, don't worry about it. You can use that in your gravy. Okay, so okay. Now, first we are gonna turn the oven, which I've already turned on, to 375 degrees. So I'm gonna put the lid and put it in the oven for half an hour for 375 degrees. And after half an hour, without even opening the oven or the lid, I'm gonna lower it to 350 degrees and cook it for 2 hours without any interruption. Okay, 375 degrees for half an hour, and after that 350 for 2 hours. Here is our yam with maple syrup and cinnamon and butter, if you like. And here is our green beans casserole, which I decorated with fried onions. And here is our roasted turkey, perfect roasted turkey. And here is our garlic gravy. It's a perfect gravy. This is my secret gravy sauce, and it's so good. If you make this, you will never go back to different gravy. And here's our homemade cranberry sauce. And here is our the best stuffing you can ever make. I hope you make all these dishes and enjoy your Thanksgiving. I'm going to make them and enjoy them with my family. And thanks for watching, and see you again. Bye.